Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jella here. Hope you're good. This would typically be a day in my life vlog. I got up some minutes ago and I need to quickly do my laundries. After that, I'll sort the boys, make breakfast, and I head out to work. The boys are on midterm, so we have some time. You get to see Jella's Bakery. You come to work with me and you see all the yummy treats we prepare just for you. A lot of you watch my videos, but you haven't subscribed to my channel. Why? So please, this is me saying subscribe to my channel. Just click it right now, right now, right now. Okay, guys. Yeah, so subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this community together. Joanne, the two bowls, like you showed that man, bring them, yeah? For now, child deck, we have banana bread, small, big and small, small parfait. No. Okay, it's 5K, 7.5. What are you doing? Okay. You got through. Joanne, one. Give her one. We have brownies. We have yogurt drink. Okay. Just 2.5. It's awesome. She came to grab our puff mix and parfait. Thanks for patronizing us. Thank you, sister. So on Friday we'll come for our brownies. Okay. Without doing that, it will still go. My friend came around. Jessica. So someone sent me this from China. I'm so excited. Let's unbox and see what it is. Yes! I already know what it is though, but I want to show you. This is a thoughtful gift. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ta-da! This is a parfait. This is a parfait from China. Whoa, I like this. Okay, this is what it looks like. I like the fact the toppings are here. So this is strawberry. This looks like a cereal. Ah, they have theirs with cereal. Cool.
Mama opening this now, but this is so thoughtful.
So today's my friend's birthday, and I had to stop off to get her something because she's one of the sweetest people I know. Yeah, just because you're special. Jella. Okay, guys. I think I should do this Jella here.
This is the celebrant.
So one day I was so charged in my office. Oh my goodness.
I've closed for the day. I attended evening service and I'm heading home right now.